Here's a heads up, Acadiana. The Courir du Festival 5K is just around the corner, and now's the time to register. The 5K kicks off downtown Lafayette at 8 a.m. on April 25th, and it's a fun way to show your support for Festival International. You can run, walk, or stroll through the streets of downtown and finish into a celebration of live music, food, and more. Early bird online registration is open now for $35 for the first 200 participants. After that, the fee goes up to $40 until online registration closes on April 21st.
This year we're really excited. Something unique's happening. Each time the race ends, we have an international band perform afterwards. And the group this year is coming to us from Scotland, and they're going to be running the race. They're runners, and they're going to jump from the 5K straight onto stage and start performing. So if you join us this year, you'll get to run with one of our international acts, and that's going to be super special.
Your 5K registration packet includes a locally designed and printed 2026 t-shirt. To find out how to register, head over to KATC.com.